everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia from My Nutrition Foods. Today we're going to look at a topic that might surprise you. The vegetables you may want to avoid when making smoothies. Let's take a look.
First up, kale. Now don't get me wrong, kale is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. It's fantastic in salads and sautés. However, when it comes to smoothies, kale's robust, slightly bitter flavour can dominate the taste profile, especially if you're new to green drinks. Its fibrous texture can also make your smoothie less smooth. If you're a kale enthusiast, try balancing it with sweeter fruits like bananas or mangoes. But if you're not a fan of its strong taste, consider milder greens like spinach, which blend seamlessly without overpowering your drink. Next on the list, beets. These vibrant roots are celebrated for their earthy sweetness and are rich in folate, manganese and dietary nitrates, which can support blood pressure regulation. While beets add a beautiful colour to your smoothie, their dense texture and potent earthy flavour can be quite pronounced. Additionally, raw beets can be tough on standard blenders, potentially leading to a gritty consistency. If you're keen on incorporating beets for their health benefits, try roasting or steaming them first to mellow the flavour and soften the texture. This preparation can make them more blender friendly and palatable. Broccoli is another veggie that's fantastic steamed or roasted, boasting high levels of vitamin C, fibre and various antioxidants. However, in a smoothie, its fibrous nature can result in a chunky drink, and the distinct cruciferous taste isn't everyone's favourite in a sweet beverage. If you're determined to include it, lightly steaming broccoli before blending can help break down the fibres and reduce the strong taste. However, there are more smoothie-friendly veggies out there that might suit your palate better. Celery juice has been trending for its purported health benefits, including hydration and anti-inflammatory properties. However, adding raw celery to your smoothie can introduce a stringy texture and a strong, peppery flavour. The fibrous strands don't break down well, leading to a less than smooth drink. If you enjoy the taste and benefits of celery, juicing it separately and adding a small amount to your smoothie might be a better approach, ensuring a smoother consistency. Radishes add a spicy kick to salads and are known for their high vitamin C content and digestive benefits. However, in smoothies, their sharp peppery flavour can be overwhelming and may not complement the sweet profile most smoothies aim for. Their hard texture can also be tough on blenders, potentially leading to a gritty drink. It's best to save radishes for your savoury dishes where their flavour can truly shine. Now let's talk about bananas. Surprised to see them here? While bananas are a popular smoothie ingredient due to their natural sweetness and creamy texture, it's important to note that they do contain high levels of polyphenol oxidase. This enzyme can reduce the beneficial flavonols in your smoothie by up to 84%, as highlighted in a 2023 study. Flavonols are essential for heart and brain health, so it's worth considering this when crafting your smoothie. If you're looking to maximise flavanol intake, you might opt for other fruits like berries, which are rich in these compounds. Remember, the key to a delicious and nutritious smoothie is balance. While it's great to experiment, being mindful of how certain vegetables affect taste and texture can make all the difference. Opt for veggies that blend well and have a mild flavour to keep your smoothie enjoyable. For instance, spinach, zucchini and cucumbers are excellent choices that provide nutrients without overpowering your drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments below which vegetables you found more challenging when adding to your smoothies. I'll be back soon with more fun, healthy facts. Until then, be happy, be healthy.